how to replace the sensor on the Coleman cookout pellet grill. The sensor continuously measures the internal temperature of the grill and communicates this information to the digital controller to ensure consistent performance. If you're experiencing temperature issues, such as difficulty getting to a set temperature or temperature swings, or if your digital controller is showing error codes, begin by performing a functional check and restart to determine the cause of the issue. If your sensor is not functioning correctly, first perform a visual check to determine the sensor is in good condition. Then thoroughly clean your sensor with alcohol and a cloth and ensure the sensor connection is secure before attempting to replace. Let's get started. What you will need: an Allen key, scissors, and a Phillips head screwdriver. Unplug your grill and remove all the pellets from the hopper assembly. Remove the 4 screws that secure the digital controller to the hopper assembly with an Allen key and save the screws for reinstall. Important: take a photo so that you can reattach the zip ties in the same position to protect the wires from mechanical components. Cut the zip ties to free the wires and disconnect the Molex connectors as shown and remove the digital controller from the hopper assembly. Open the pellet lid and remove the cooking grates and baffle plate. With a screwdriver, remove the 2 screws securing the sensor to the sensor shield and save the screws for reinstall. Pull the old sensor out. Feed the new sensor wires to the hopper assembly. Secure the sensor to the sensor shield with the 2 screws previously set aside. Reinstall the cooking grates and baffle plate. Plug all the Molex connectors back together and reference the picture you previously took to bundle and zip tie all wiring. Reposition the digital controller and reinstall the 4 saved screws with the Allen key. See our full catalog for more troubleshooting and maintenance videos.